Hey everyone, today I'll show you Replit tutorials for beginners. Replit is an all-in-one browser-based coding platform that enables users to write, execute, and collaborate on code without installing any software. It supports multiple programming languages including Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, and over 50 others, making it a versatile tool for beginners and experienced developers. Its cloud-based nature eliminates the hassle of setting up development environments, making it an ideal choice for students, educators, and professionals who want a seamless coding experience. Whether you want to experience with the new language, build applications, or collaborate with team, Replit provides an intuitive and accessible platforms. One of Replit's biggest advantages is its integrated development environments or IDE, which is designed to be simple yet powerful. When you create a project known as REPL, the platform automatically configures the environment for your selected language, saving time and effort. The code editor is user-friendly, featuring syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and built-in debugging tools that make coding more efficient. The interactive console allows users to execute code instantly and see real-time results, which is especially useful for testing and debugging. A standout feature of Replit is its multiplayer collaboration, which enables real-time coding with multiple users. Similar to Google Docs, these features allow developers to work together on the same code base, making it perfect for team projects, peer programming, and classroom instruction. Users can invite collaborators by sharing a link, and everyone can edit and contribute simultaneously. There is also a built-in commenting system, allowing users to leave feedback and suggestions directly within the code. Replit offers templates for various programming languages and frameworks. For instance, if you want to create a web application, you can start with a Flash or Node.js template instead of setting up everything manually. This feature is useful for beginners who want to get started quickly without worrying about configurations. For web developers, Replit includes hosting capabilities, allowing users to deploy and share their web projects with just a few clicks. This means you can create and publish a website directly from Replit without needing additional hosting services. It's a convenient feature for those who want to showcase their projects online. Another powerful feature is version control, which helps users track changes and revert to previous versions of their code. This is particularly useful when working on large projects where debugging and code managing are essential. Replit also supports background processes and automation, allowing users to schedule tasks using cron jobs. This means you can set up automated scripts to run at specific intervals, which is helpful for data collections, notifications, or other repetitive tasks. For those learning to code, Replit provides an interactive learning environment with built-in coding lessons and challenges. The lessons guide beginners through different programming concepts and allow them to practice in real time. The Replit community is also an excellent resource where users can share projects, collaborate on open source initiatives, and participate in coding competitions. To start using Replit, first create an account by signing up with an email, Google, or GitHub. Once logged in, click on the Create REPL button, select a programming language, and give your project a name. The Replit IDE will then open and you can start coding immediately. The left sidebar contains options for files, version control, and package management, while the right side provides the console for running and testing code. If you want to collaborate with others, click on the invite button to generate a link that you can share with teammates. They can join your project in real time, making collaboration seamless. To deploy a web application, create an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file, then click Run button. If your project requires a server, use frameworks like Flask or Express.js, and Replit will handle the hosting automatically. You can then share your project's URL with others. For users interested in automating workflows, Replit provides an AI-powered coding assistant that suggests code completion and optimizations, making it easier to write efficient programs. Replit is more than just an online coding platform. It's a complete ecosystem designed to streamline software development, collaboration, and deployment. It caters to a wide range of users, from beginners learning to code to experienced developers building complex applications. One of its lesser-known strengths is its ability to integrate with external APIs and services, making it a great platform for developing and testing API-based applications. Users can directly connect to services like Firebase, MongoDB, and REST APIs without requiring extensive backend configurations. Replit also supports persistent storage, allowing users to save and manage data across different sessions. This is particularly useful for long-term projects where data needs to be retained even after the session ends. Developers can use databases like SQLite and PostgreSQL and Replit's own storage solutions to store and retrieve information efficiently. Another powerful aspect of Replit is its ability to work as cloud-based development environment for mobile app development. While primarily designed for web applications, developers can use Replit to write and test mobile app code using frameworks like React Native and Flutter. Although it doesn't offer a full mobile emulator, users can integrate with external testing environments to see how their applications perform on their devices. Replit's support for DevOps-related tasks making it an excellent platform for automating workflows. Users can set up CI/CD pipelines, manage deployments, and even write serverless functions that runs on demand. This is useful for developers who want to build scalable applications without setting up extensive infrastructure. A lesser-known feature is Replit's ability to connect with hardware devices using IoT integrations. By leveraging WebSockets and serial communications, users can program microcontrollers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi directly from Replit. They expand its capabilities beyond web development and into embedded systems programming. For advanced users, Replit provides customizable environments where developers can install specific dependencies, configure runtime settings, and even create custom templates for future projects. This flexibility allows developers to tailor their workspace to match their exact requirements. Additionally, Replit offers educational tools beyond just coding lessons. An instructor can create custom courses with interactive coding assignments, quizzes, and real-time feedback. The platform supports automated grading, making it easier for educators to manage large classes and track student progress. Replit's AI-assisted development tools go beyond basic code suggestions. It can analyze patterns in user code, offer refactoring suggestions, and even generate boilerplate code to speed up development. This AI-powered feature is particularly helpful for beginners who need guidance on best practices and for experienced developers who want to optimize their workflows. Security features in Replit ensure that projects remain safe and private. Users can choose between public and private wraps, control access permissions, and integrate authentication mechanisms for secure development. Additionally, Replit supports encrypted environment variables, allowing users to store API keys and other sensitive information without exposing them in their code. Replit also fosters an open-source development environment by allowing users to fork and remix public projects. This means that developers can build upon existing projects, contribute to community-driven applications, and collaborate on large-scale open-source initiatives without needing to set up local environments. Another useful feature is team accounts, which Replit offers for businesses, educational institutions, and allowing clubs. These features allow teams to manage their projects, set permissions, and collaborate more effectively. Administrators can invite and manage members, track progress on tasks, and ensure that everyone is working efficiently on shared coding projects. Replit also provides a mobile app, which extends its reach to users on the go. Developers can continue to work on their project from their mobile devices, making it convenient to code, test, and deploy even when away from the desktop. For those who are focused on machine learning or data science, Replit supports libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow, Keras, and Pandas. This makes it easier to build and test machine learning models directly within the platform without needing to install and configure complex software. Whether you're building neural networks or analyzing large data sets, Replit offers cloud-based environments that's suitable for data-heavy applications. Replit for Education is an excellent resource for teachers and educational institutions. It allows educators to create, manage, and distribute coding exercises to students who can then code directly in the browser without the need for installing any software. Teachers can track progress, review submissions, and provide feedback all within the platform. This makes Replit an ideal solution for both online coding courses and in-person workshops. Replit has taken a significant step toward making coding accessible to everyone, whether you're a student just learning the ropes, an educator trying to teach coding concepts, or a professional developer building the next big applications. With its rich set of features and user-friendly interface, it's a versatile and reliable platform for coders of all levels. Lastly, Replit has a built-in tools for game development. Users can create browser-based games using libraries like Pygame, Fraser.js, and 3.js with real-time rendering capabilities. The platform even allows for multiplayer game development, and users can write networking code and test multiplayer interactions within the browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.